What's up, Geeksters? Today we're going to be checking out a very stylish and swanky 3-in-1 wireless charging station from Journey. It's called the Nova, and it retails for currently $140, and it comes in 3 different flavors. There's wood grain, sparkle gray, and the version I have here, which is black. And if you're not familiar with Journey, they make very simple but stylish tech and lifestyle gear for your devices, and the Nova is one such product. So included in the box is the stand itself. Along with that, they include the user manual, a welcome card, stickers, an adhesive magnetic ring if your phone or case isn't already MagSafe compatible, and last but not least is a 5-foot USB Type-C charging cable. The one thing you'll notice that is not included is the wall charger. So you can use one that you already have, or Journey actually sells a really tiny 30-watt fast charging mini charger that's called the Blitz 30, and that can power the Nova, and it retails for $30 on their site. Okay, let's take a closer look at the Nova. Honestly, the first thing that caught my attention is that it doesn't really look like a charger, right? It has a really unique, almost furniture-like hollow design that would look really great whether it's in a living room or on your desk or on a nightstand beside your bed, which is where I kept mine. And the whole thing is designed to replace 3 separate chargers with one. So you've got the Qi 2 wireless charging for your phone with up to 15 watts of power. It has a built-in Apple Watch charger that folds away into the back if you don't need it, and a dedicated spot for your AirPods. So you can literally come home, drop all 3 devices on there, and you're done. It can charge all 3 at one time. One of my favorite details is the vertical design. So it doesn't really take up a lot of space either on your desk or on a nightstand. And the weighted base, it keeps it from feeling like it's going to tip over every time you grab your phone off of it. I do wish it was a little bit heavier, a little more weighted, but I'm not going to complain about that. There's even a small guiding nightlight built into the design, which is really cool, and it's a nice touch, especially if you're using it at your bedside table. Now, there's a couple things to keep in mind here. So this is really geared towards people in the Apple ecosystem, right? So the Qi 2 wireless charging is designed to be broadly compatible with lots of devices, but Journey specifically mentions that the iPhone 12 and newer models are what's supported by this product. But they do also include that adhesive magnetic ring in the box for phones that need help with magnetic alignment. So you can technically use this with other phones. At $140, this is definitely not the cheapest 3-in-1 charger you can buy. However, you're not really paying for just another charging dock, right? You're paying for something that's designed to blend in stylishly with your space, and the Nova does that pretty well. So if you have an iPhone and an Apple Watch and AirPods, and you want to get rid of all the cable clutter without putting an ugly plastic charging dock on your nightstand, well then the Nova charging station from Journey is probably worth looking at. And honestly, this might be one of the better looking charging stations that I've tested on this channel. Well, those are my thoughts on this product. If you would like to purchase one for yourself, check out the links down below in the description. I'll make that really easy to find for you guys. And if you want to check out some of my other reviews, I got 2 of the clips over here you can click on, and I will see you guys in the next video review.